Metals are used in demanding service environments, which gradually erodes their characteristics and negatively impacts their performance in service. These characteristics of metals are something that makes metal plating one of the most used technologies in the world. Manufacturers use different metal plating finishing to improve the aesthetics of metal products and enhance functionality. Metal plating remains a practical choice for post-production finishing, and it has also become one of the most crucial aspects of modern technology. This video explains the metal plating surface finish, how it works, and also detailing the essential elements of this technique. Welcome to James Sword Research Channel. Endeavor to watch till the end for better understanding. And if you find the video useful, like and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more contents. What is metal plating process? Metal plating process is a manufacturing process in which a thin layer of metal coats a substrate. It involves creating the outer coating with copper, nickel, chromium, or any other metal that has resistance to corrosion and improve its appearance. It is usually done by immersing the metal in an acid solution with an anode, electric current, and cathode. Steps for metal plating process. The metal plating process is a long process which comprises several steps, from pre-treatment to post-treatment. The first necessary step is cleaning, where the surface is properly cleaned to make it free from contaminants. Acid cleaning can be done if required. Properly rinse the metal after completing the first step. Next to rinsing is to choose the plating method. After achieving the desired deposition on your products, post-treatment cleaning is necessary. You have to rinse properly with water after plating. Chemical rinsing is essential, as it makes sure that the parts become resistant to rust. Types of metal plating processes or techniques. There are three major metal plating techniques used in different industries. They are 1. Electroplating or electrolytic plating. It is a metal plating process that involves electric currents in an electrolyte solution to dissolve charged metal particles. The process uses electrical current to drive the chemical reaction by reducing metal ions, which enables control of the plating process. It has two terminals known as electrodes that are immersed into an electrolytic solution that connects to a power source. In the process of electroplating, positively charged metal ions, anode, are dissolved in the solution. The metal to be plated is the cathode, which is negatively charged side of the electrode. When electricity flows in the solution, the electrolyte split metal atoms from the anode that gets deposited on the workpiece, thereby enhancing the chemical, mechanical, and physical properties of the workpiece. It also provides even coating on the plated metal. 2. Autocatalytic or electroless plating. This is a method of plating without the need for an external power source. It is a much simpler and cost-effective alternative to electroplating. Electroless plating involves plating the material using an aqueous solution and then depositing it on the workpiece. It involves a chemical reaction that facilitates metal atom reduction. Electroless plating is suitable for hard surface components with excellent corrosion resistance. This makes it a great choice for marine and oil industries. 3. Immersion plating. Immersion plating process involves immersing a metal into a chemical compound that contains metal ions of a noble metal. Metals that are chemically inert are considered noble metals, e.g. silver, platinum, gold, etc. Immersion plating produces a thin layer of plating that is followed by the plating process ceasing. Immersion plating is a great choice for industries that are looking forward to creating a metal surface with improved resistance to corrosion. Methods used for metal plating. There are different types of metal plating methods to employ when plating a substrate. These include 1. Barrel plating. This process occurs in a closed barrel. The rotation causes the substrate inside the barrel to tumble, which makes it easier to apply the coating metal uniformly. The process is used when electroplating smaller parts, or there is a lower level of processing requirements. Therefore, engineers adopt this type to create a superior substrate appearance and enhanced corrosion resistance. 2. Rack plating. In this method, the metal that would be plated is hung on a rack or frame. It is a versatile method that provides control over rinse water and drag out rates. 3. Manual plating. In manual plating, everything is performed by an experienced technicians. It is used for small batch plating. 4. Automated plating. This plating method can be completely automated, or it can be semi-automated. In the case of complete automation, the technicians only needs to rack and unrack during the operation. While in the case of semi-automated process, the technician requires manual control of the rails and hoists. Factors to consider for metal plating surface. They are: 1. Metal surface finish. 2. Pre-plate material condition. 3. Thickness tolerance. 4. Thread inclusion. Chemicals and coatings used for metal plating. Different chemicals and coatings are used in metal plating process to improve the results and increase the stability. They are categorized as follows. 1. Acids and base use. They include HCl and caustic. 2. Coatings that can be used include zinc, chromium, nickel, copper, cadmium, silver, gold, tin, rhodium, etc. 3. Solvents used include trichloroethylene, tetrachloroethylene, benzene, methylene chloride, etc. Advantages of metal plating. 1. Improved corrosion resistance. 2. Decorative appeal. 3. Increased solderability. 4. Enhanced hardness. 5. Reduced friction. 6. Altered conductivity. 7. Enhanced paint adhesion. 8. Increased magnetism. Disadvantages of metal plating. 1. The plating can chip and crack in specific environment due to wear. 2. The metal plating process can be lengthy, compromising a component specifications. Application of metal plating. Several industries use different metal plating finishes to the best of their product specifications. The following are some of the major industries where metal plating is applied. 1. Aerospace. 2. Automotive industry. 3. Dental and medical. 4. Power sector. 5. Jewelry, etc.